Hello, Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're on with talking about today is hoses, high pressure hoses. When I first started in the marketplace, you used to buy a hose that was a cold hose and you buy a hose that was hot hose. The cold hose, what simply happened was you had a ferrule and it went straight over the top of the rubber and you crimped directly onto it. If you had a hot hose, what they'd call it as, they'd class it as scriving, and they'd take the rubber off and they'd go to the metal, and what they'd simply do is they'd crimp directly straight onto the metal braid. They then fetched a system out which classes a 1 and 2 wire ferrule, and that is just one ferrule, a multi-ferrule that will do steam or cold, whatever you want to do, and that crimps directly. So no rubber comes off the actual hose itself, you just crimp this directly straight over the top of the rubber hose. But what I've simply found is when we're doing the steam systems and everything else, they don't last. It blows off in no time. So what we simply do now is we go back to the old-fashioned way. Now this is, if you look inside, you'll see the rib difference compared to the new type. We take the actual wire and go back to the wire itself, so all the rubber itself comes off the hose and we crimp directly straight onto the metal. This is for heat expansion, and this is why they did it years ago. We find this to be a lot more substantial. It holds heat expansion with metal to metal. We do this on the new type of hose as well, certain times, if customers are wanting to buy steam. So what we simply do is, you'll see that little braid there that goes right over the top, and we crimp directly straight on to the metal on the hose. So steam hoses, once upon a time, the ferrules themselves, people used to use steam machines all the time. Them days have gone really on that side of it to what they used to be, should I say low pressure steam. Like I say, nowadays we're looking at doing hot, high pressure steam and dry. So like I say, this is what's happening now in the marketplace. The hose companies there, they're just chucking them together as quick as they can do a lot of times, unless you're asking for them to be done that way. This new ferrule, multi-ferrule, being chucked straight over the top, crimped on, and that is meant to be able to coat. Doesn't last 5 minutes. The ends pull off, the ends blow off. So this is what we're on with, and this is how we do it now. And like I say, this is the new hose that we have in the marketplace as well. This is the non-marking hard surface system, hard wearing. Not a blue coloured hose that's just the same as this, is in black, that's meant to be non-marking. Rubbish. Thank you very much, Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.